Hello, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. I am Yogeshkumar.Rathod. Very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world welcomes you all to my lecture on air conditioners. Air conditioners are needed during scorching summers so that they can give thermal comfort. Air conditioners they have four components in it: compressor, condenser, expansion device. Expansion device is of absorption type, and finally into evaporator space to be cooled, which is called evaporator. To remove heat from enclosed space or room to the external environment. That's what refrigerators they do. Air conditioners they do it. They reject heats from the inside to the outside, and they also remove humidity from the enclosed space or room, and they maintain the purity of air inside the room. Freon 22 is used in air conditioning unit. Freon 22 is compressed in a compressor from lower to higher pressure and temperature into the condenser, which rejects heat to the environment outside the environment. It gets throttled in the absorption type of expansion device, which eventually reduces the temperature of the room and humidity, and it maintains the purity of air inside the enclosed space. Hey, please like my video and share my video. Also comment my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. There are various brands of air conditioning. Air conditioners brands are Lloyd, Daikin, LG, Samsung, etc. In United States of America, HVAC is used. Heating, ventilating, air conditioning. The various systems and techniques are used in air conditioning units. Ductless units are also used in various air conditioners. Compact air conditioner, windows air conditioners, HVAC air conditioners, split air conditioners are common air conditioners. Vapor compression refrigeration cycle. And absorption vapor cycle is the thermodynamics involved into air conditioners. Psychrometry is another aspect for the perfect calculation of air conditioners. Air conditioners take lower down the temperature of the confined space and remove humidity, and they maintain purity of the air inside the enclosed room or space. In cars also, air conditioners are maintained in early 20th century. It was used in various luxury cars, and now it is more common in all cars. Air conditioners are the inbuilt features of air conditioners. To know more about the conditioners as the various refrigeration air conditioning books are available, so that you can always go through all details of air conditioning. Basic laws are Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay Lucas laws, which are the basics of air conditioning processes. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogesh Kumar and Education Yogesh Kumar also. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.